Hello everyone, myself Bhagyashri Chaudhary, working as an assistant professor at Shivaji Rao S. Zondale College of Pharmacy, Asangaon. Today's topic is aldehyde. So, introduction of aldehydes, any class of organic compounds in which a carbon atom shares a double bond with an oxygen atom, a single bond with a hydrogen atom, and a single bond with another atom or group of atoms. Aldehydes are a class of organic compounds that contains a carbonyl group attached to a carbon atom in the molecule. Aldehydes are widely used in various industrial applications and are also present in many natural substances such as essential oils like fragrances and flavors. So, the structure of aldehyde. The carbonyl group in aldehyde consists of a carbon atom bonded to an oxygen atom with a double bond and a hydrogen atom. The carbon atom of the carbonyl group is also bonded to one more hydrogen atom and another carbon atom or a functional group. Then move towards the nomenclature. So aldehydes are named by replacing the E suffix of the corresponding parent alkane with the suffix L. For example, methane becomes methanol or formaldehyde. Ethane becomes ethanol or acetaldehyde, and so on. So some physical properties of aldehydes. So aldehydes are polar molecule with a carbonyl group that imparts a dipole moment to the molecule, making it soluble in a polar solvent such as water. Aldehydes with fewer than 5 carbon atoms are highly volatile liquids with a strong pungent odor. However, as the carbon chain length increases, the boiling water also increases and aldehydes become less volatile. So these are the physical properties of aldehyde. There are some chemical properties also. So aldehydes are highly reactive compound due to the presence of carbonyl group, which make them susceptible to nucleophilic attack. Aldehydes readily react with the nucleophiles such as water, alcohol and amines, that forming hydrates, hemiacetal and imines respectively. So aldehyde can also undergo oxidation reaction which produce carboxylic acid. This reaction is commonly used in organic synthesis to convert aldehyde to carboxylic. So there are some uses. Aldehydes are used in various industrial applications such as in the manufacturing of plastics, synthetic resins and pharmaceuticals. Formaldehyde, the simplest aldehyde, is used in the production of many household products such as adhesive, disinfectant and preservatives. Aldehydes are also used in fragrance and flavors industry to impart fruity, floral and spicy notes to perfume, soaps and food products. Then toxicity. Some aldehydes such as formaldehyde are toxic in nature and can cause irritation to the eye, skin and respiratory system. So formaldehyde is also classified as a carcinogen and can cause cancer with prolonged exposure. So there is a conclusion of aldehydes. So aldehydes are important organic compound with a wide range of industrial, fragrance and flavor applications. However, due to their reactivity and toxicity, aldehyde must be handled with care and caution. So this all is about the aldehyde. I hope you understand. Thank you.